Sabi sa comment ni ABCD ay ganito, Ma, bakit walang lumalabas na cashback sa account ko? Ginamit ko naman pambayad yung Cbank card ko sa grocery store and iba pang stores. Chinek ko, wala nag-appear ang cashback. Ma, yung cashback mo is hindi naman po yan on the day na makikredit sa Cbank account mo. But you will receive a notification sa Cbank app mo once it is successfully posted po. Ito po ang sasabihin na notification at ilalagay ko na lang po sa screen. Sabi po ni Cbank, for example, yung sa akin po, your cashback is on its way. Yeah, you will receive cashback of 11 pesos for debit card when your Cbank card transaction is confirmed within few days. Continue spending to earn 1% cashback cap at 1,000 pesos. So yan po siya. Once it's successfully confirmed and posted na po siya, marireceive nyo po yan. Actually, usually based on my experience, 2 working days or kinabukasan, ibigay na po or nakikredit na po yung cashback ko. Pero maximum naman po is 5 working days. Pero based on my experience, hindi naman po umaabot ng 5 working days. Marireceive mo ma yung iyong cashback. Don't worry, ikikredit yan ni Cbank. At kung wala ka pang Cbank, you can open your Cbank via App Store or Play Store. I-download nyo lang po doon and use my referral code MARCH26 to get 75 pesos higher than a regular Cbank referral reward. But make it sure to hold 1,000 pesos for 3 days only. Huwag nyo pong gagalawin yan sa loob ng 3 araw. Legit, papasok po yung 75 pesos. I hope this video helps you. Follow for more.